The new 1990 Chrysler New Yorker. I picked this car up a couple weeks back for $200 off of the original owner, and it is in immaculate condition. Just rolled it over to 100,000 miles last weekend. The only thing it's missing is the hubcap driver side wheel in the front, but it is in immaculate condition, as you can tell. Tires are good. Very good tread on them. Everything in this thing is in very good shape. Hood ornament, paint's nice. This thing even has the original windshield on it. The interior is also in very nice condition. A little bit dirty, but that's just because I haven't had a chance to vacuum and shampoo it yet. I do need to vacuum it, but it is in very nice shape overall. The Landau roof is in good shape. Trunk is also very clean. I'll show you the trunk. Got some of the wood panels from my 92 New Yorker in here. But you can tell that this car was very well kept, and it is in very clean shape. As it sits right now, it is currently at 100,268 miles. She is currently averaging about 17 miles to the gallon in the city, but I haven't really been babying it. She starts right up, runs very smooth. Auto leveling rear suspension works. Engine's very quiet. Automatic climate control works. Radio works.
Fun begins at 8 a.m. with Hunters and Equination in the Event Center. Get 2 chances to go backstage with a rodeo clown at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. in the Activity Pavilion. Try your hand at the Mechanical Bowl at 11 in the Stadium Hall.
Even though it's the infamous Chrysler premium stereo that is notorious for failing, it still works perfectly. And take you for a quick little spin at it. It's very quiet and very smooth. she does a really nice job overall. Even performance-wise, the motor runs great. It has ample pickup. The first year of the 3.3 liter V6 engine, and it does a really nice job. And it shifts really smooth. Yeah, she does a really nice job. So, well guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.